Hey, this is Dr. Myers, Dr. Derm. Welcome to Blackhead Removal Day, which is today. Which is right now. Let's do it. Come out. It's like coming out of everyone but the central one. Oh, there it is. Okay, there. We'll see. Sometimes these come out pretty easy, and sometimes they don't. Here, let's get a lancet. Thank you. Okay, so we'll just basically open up just a tiny bit right there. You're not feeling anything, are you?
No.
Good, because you were all numbed up. And this one needs to get out of there. So do you cook, Carl?
Oh, no. I'm a disaster.
Well, then you're like me, because I don't cook very much. Unless it's like grits and eggs.
Oh, yeah.
I make a pretty mean grits and eggs.
Steaks are my forte.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you had this whole like wrapped up hair up in there. That's amazing. That he basically had this ingrown hair that just kind of circled up in there over and over. And that just popped right on out. That was good to get that bad boy out of there. Okay, did you lock it in right there? Okay, let's... Oh yeah, that just comes right on out. Hey, thank you for watching our video. We enjoyed making it. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to press the thumbs up button or subscribe below.